What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and today we get to take out this brand new Tesla and try the full self-driving beta for the first time. And we figured, what better time to try it than in the snow? So with all that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name's Chandler, and I've owned a Tesla Model 3. I've also owned a Tesla Model Plaid, both that I got rid of. And so today I'm here with my brother in his brand new Tesla
Model S long range.
Perfect. And we're gonna go out and we're going to try out the full self-driving autopilot because he just got access to it, and we figured it'd be a blast to try it out in the snow and do some unique tests a little later in the day. Now, what does the beta mean?
I think if you put beta next to it, you are not liable for any accidents that happen. I don't know.
That's hilarious.
I'm super pumped about this because we just got a ton of snow and it is extremely slick on the roads. Even after driving here my whole life, I went out this morning and it's a little sketchy. The other thing that's going to make it very unique is we want to test everything that might happen in autopilot. So we're going to see if it'll allow us to run some things over. We're going to do tests on different sizes. We're going to try it all, and we're going to try it all in the snow.
All right, so when I first got the car, we did not have full self-driving beta. You actually had to enroll in that and drive a certain number of miles before you qualified. But once I was finally notified that I could get in, this pops up. Basically tells you that you have to pay attention because you could crash into something if you're not alert at all times. Makes you sign your life away. Once you enable it and accept all of this, you are good to go, and this car can take you wherever you want to go without touching a thing.
Except that was a lie because you have to drive to a main road, so you're gonna have to get out of my driveway.
Oh, very true. Okay. People aren't gonna believe this is my car because I don't know how to use it. All right, now you press the button.
Okay, I'm so nervous.
Keep your hands.
Why is it speeding up? You just grabbed on, you ruined it.
I know, well, I think it's trying to do autopilot. Okay, so that's on. Okay, knows where we're going. Okay, please keep your hands on the yoke and be prepared to die.
All right, guys, here we go. We're coming back into this cul-de-sac, and we are going to have autopilot hit this stop sign. Full self-driving.
Going.
It is going really fast. Hopefully no cars are coming around the other side. Oh my heavens, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, oh shoot.
That did not do a good job.
That did not go well.
That's a bad idea, man. I think it'll be okay on normal roads. I've got faith.
Just don't use it on this stop sign because I like my life.
I won't. Yeah. It's like that Carrie Underwood song, Elon, Take the Wheel. I mean, after sliding through a stop sign, it probably doesn't have a whole lot of comfort.
Oh, no, it's gonna go in this car's right.
It's thinking that's gonna kill us. Dude.
Oh. All right, normal roads.
Yeah.
Still beta.
Yeah, that was a very beta move right there. I'm guessing like in their board meetings, they probably were like, people that can afford this car probably can afford good insurance too. I am far more attentive than I normally am when I drive. The thing that's weird is like I can speed up and take control of the wheel, and then I'm like, oh, I'm driving now, and then it's like, no, I'm driving. No, I'm driving. Ho, ho, ho. All right, there we go. Yeah, that doesn't make me feel much more comfortable that all the cars are reindeer now. It just said that that's a human. I hope that's not a human. Garbage bag over its head. Sometimes when it doesn't know what to do, it brakes, and then other times it just guns it. All
right, guys, now that it's failed literally every test, I came up with one that's more focused on the safety and livelihood of humans, because I think at the end of the day, that's the most important thing. And so we're gonna test how this car handles pedestrians of different size. All right, guys, so my idea was I wanted to test a small, medium, and large size person and see what the Tesla picked up and how it responded to it. So let's go try it out.
So a child could conceivably sit in the front seat.
Unbelted child sitting in a bad position, probably still fine.
All right, we're gonna go try this out. I didn't do any research on, I don't know if it picks up like real humans or not. political affiliation, any of that stuff, but I figured size was probably the only important factor. All right, guys, we've got a real technical setup here. We've got one phone right here recording the front, and then we have our nicer cameras outside to see how this handles with Baby Yoda. And we're gonna turn on the autopilot and see what happens.
Don't hurt the child.
It sees our videographer.
What's it gonna, oh, it's just gonna go around him. Okay, okay.
Alright.
Nice.
You okay?
All right, Baby Yoda made it, and I can only assume that going up in size, we're probably gonna have the same result, but we're gonna try it out. All right, round 2. Now we're gonna try the Bernie, the mid-sized. It's speeding up! Bernie!
That's too bad.
I hope the car is okay. We gotta research that because it legit like speed up there at the end.
Yeah, I don't know if we're on insane mode or what's going on, but it registered it was Bernie and it was like.
So after looking into it further, I found out that Tesla knows everything about its driver, from their height, to their weight, to their sexual orientation, and even down to previous Twitter battles.
Senator Bernie Sanders tweeted out this: "We must demand that the extremely wealthy pay their fair share, period." Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who is worth almost $294 billion, fired back saying, quote, "I keep forgetting that you're still alive."
Could just be a coincidence though.
Difficult though it may be to imagine.
So we are now going to try Mr. Ross, and with this one we put him further out in the road because we just drove around Baby Yoda, and I was really curious, do you think it senses it further out now?
I think it senses that we just ran into something. It's
slowing down. He knows he's there.
But it's
man.
It's trying to go between. Oh no.
It's gonna go between the videographer and Mr. Ross.
It's thinking. It's telling me, he's like, bro, there's a guy there.
Oh, Bob, hey, he's down! He's down, and now he's gonna drive over. No!
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
All right, guys, after testing, I think in every category the Tesla fails when it comes to self-driving in the snow. Also, we just want to come clean. The little Bernie Sanders stunt was just out of sarcasm because of the battles that Elon and Bernie have had in the past. We really enjoyed it, and we hope that you did too. But if you have a Tesla, please do not use the beta in the snow because you're definitely putting your life at risk.
And I will have to say, I love this car. It does a great job. It's not really gonna run into any humans as far as I can tell. Overall, love this car. I feel like I gotta back this car because I spent a lot of money on this car. But overall, no regrets about it.
Now, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and go check out Peyton's channel, and we'll talk to you guys soon.
See ya.